The Buckner Superior PRS-MOD is perfect for adding pressure regulating capability to new valve installations and for retrofitting existing irrigation systems. PRS-MOD regulates outlet pressure at the valve, regardless of incoming pressure fluctuation. The PRS-MOD allows for regulating pressure to the optimum level for the spray or rotor. This helps with getting a more even spray pattern and helps produce larger water droplets which are less susceptible to wind, thereby reducing misting. Pressure regulation can help achieve significant water savings. PRS-MOD simply threads into the valve solenoid port for easy field installation. It can be used in systems with up to 200 psi of incoming pressure. It regulates and maintains outlet pressure anywhere between 10 and 100 psi in dial adjustments of 5 psi. First, shut off water supply and turn handle clockwise until the valve is closed. Remove nut from top of solenoid stem. Then slide coil and bracket off. Then remove solenoid assembly from the valve bonnet with a flathead screwdriver. Make sure to retain the plunger and spring in the solenoid assembly. Do not remove O-ring from valve bonnet. Inspect the top of the PRS-MOD base assembly, making sure the included O-ring is in place below the threads. Thread PRS-MOD base into valve bonnet while holding the valve body in place until it is hand tight. Then, thread solenoid assembly onto base, turning it until it is hand tight. Thread regulator onto PRS-MOD assembly until it is hand tight. Reseat coil and bracket onto solenoid stem and hand tighten nut. To open the valve, turn on the water supply and turn cross-handle counterclockwise. Make sure to purge any residual air from the valve by loosening the external bleed. Close external bleed once the air is purged. To adjust pressure, simply turn the knob to desired pressure setting. The PRS-MOD is compatible with all Superior 950, 1800, and Superior plastic valves. Buckner Superior is proud to add the PRS-MOD to its line of high-quality and user-friendly valve products. To purchase the PRS-MOD, visit your local irrigation distributor.